Well, turning our attention to weather, I want to show you this picture in the sky right now. This is our Tuscaloosa sky cam. I've been panning the sky all morning, kind of looking for these storms. So there's some storms that are developing just to the west of Tuscaloosa. That's the direction we're looking right now. So if you're waking up this morning, actually looks like maybe a couple of raindrops now beginning to fall there. We are going to see just to the west of Tuscaloosa some activity, but interestingly enough, as I pan the sky and I look east, bright sunshine, so very mixed sky in T-Town right now. 67 in Birmingham, 68, a mix of sun and clouds in Anniston, but here's those thunderstorms that I was talking about. I think the thunderstorms will miss Tuscaloosa proper, but just be forewarned, you could have just maybe a couple of light sprinkles because the outer fringe of that will be reaching into that Tuscaloosa city limits, but most of that rainfall right now and the thunderstorm activity entering into parts of Hale County. Here are some cities that will be impacted shortly. We have Havana in about 10 minutes, Ingram at 17 minutes, and Heiberger in about 40 minutes. Although Heiberger, you've already seen one round of rain, you're going to be dealing with yet another. This is not a fast-moving cluster of storms there, and there's lots of lightning being produced, so many folks may be waking up to those rumbles of thunder. There's another thunderstorm that's just now developing on the northeastern corner of Perry County, but I want to track this line as we track this off to the east, and we're looking at Maplesville in about 8 minutes, Randolph in 10, Clanton in about 30 minutes, and this is a more organized line that's moving due east. Now, any of the rainfall south of Chilton County over towards Montgomery, all of this will stay south, and that will continue tracking off to the east and southeast, so not really going to be threatening our eastern counties, kind of east of 65 there, and most of what we're seeing west of 65 will continue to track southeast. Temperatures this morning, quite the range. Where we're seeing clouds and rain, temperatures close to 70. Where we're seeing that clear sky this morning, sunshine in Coleman, 61, and that's because the rain cleared out pretty quickly up north yesterday, and that allowed for that drier air to settle in overnight last night. Now, after this morning, a little batch of rain moves through. I expect things to stay quiet through the early afternoon. We could see some redevelopment late in the day, around 1 p.m., primarily south of Interstate 20. So places like Coleman, Jasper, Hamilton, you're pretty much going to stay dry today, with highs ranging anywhere between the mid to upper 80s, maybe low 90s. Tuscaloosa at 90 this afternoon. And then we're looking at things clearing out after sunset tonight with 11 o'clock temperatures in the 70s. And then tomorrow morning, those temperatures are going to settle in the low 70s. Small chance of rain both Saturday and Sunday. I don't think either day will be a complete washout, but lots of heat and humidity on tap. And then more active weather and better coverage on Monday.